Hello, welcome to Super Billing. In this video, we are going to see how to add a dealer. To add a dealer, on the left menu, click on Customer or Dealer. And on the right side, click on the button Add Customer or Dealer. Add Customer or Dealer window will be displayed. Type in the dealer name. Select the dealer state. Provide the dealer's mobile number and email address, or you can leave it as blank, it is optional. On the type, click and select dealer, or if the dealer is a customer and a dealer, you can choose customer and dealer. So now I am choosing as dealer. Input the GST number of the dealer, the address, the dealer code, and the balance. If you have any outstanding balance that you need to pay to this dealer, you can give this balance here. For example, if you give 100, you are payable to the dealer, so you have to click payable and save. Dealer saved successfully, and close this window. And you can see dealer 2 has been added with the balance of 100 that you have to pay. Thank you.